Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f020b on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates or any other option to update it in the right pane. The next solution, which will definitely work, is that we have a script for you. Simply copy this script. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what it would do. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.